Ngayon Than, better known by her stage names Tila Tequila, Tila Ngayon, Miss Tila and Tornado Thien, is an American television and social media personality. She first gained recognition for her active presence on social networking websites. After becoming the most popular person on Mispus, Tequila was offered the opportunity to star in her own reality television series. Her bisexuality-themed dating show, A Shot at Love with Tila Tequila, aired for 2 seasons and became MTV's second highest-rated series premiere of that year. Born in Singapore and raised in Houston, Texas, Tequila moved to Los Angeles in 2001 to pursue her modeling career. After being featured in numerous men's magazines, she made her reality television debut on the VH1 show Surviving Nugent. Besides her career in modeling and television, Tequila also pursued her career as a recording artist and author. She was the lead singer of the bands Beyond Betty Jean and Jealousy before launching a solo career. Her debut single I Love You was released in 2007 to mixed reviews. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.